Stop buying jarred Alfredo sauces. This mix takes 2 minutes to mix up and lives in your pantry, so whenever you need it, it's ready to go. I'll show you how to do it. Happy Saturday morning. I am doing some prepping this weekend to get ready for a busy week ahead. We have school starting this week, so that means we have Meet the Teacher and all sorts of other activities going on. So meal prepping it is, pantry restocking it is, and come along for the ride. I'm going to start with an Alfredo sauce, the dry mix for it, so that on an evening I just have to add the liquid, boil the pasta, it's ready to go. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, in my bowl I'm going to start with 1 cup of just dry milk powder. You can use whole milk powder, you could use the non-fat, whatever you like. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. Probably a little more than a 1/2 cup, but that's okay, it's delicious, right? 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, that gives it that creamy texture that you're looking for. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, extra fancy. 1 teaspoon each of onion powder, salt. I'm using white pepper. It's kind of, I did it again, y'all. It almost fits. You can use black pepper. Alfredo typically has white pepper just because it's a white sauce. But you could use black pepper if that's what you want to use and that's what you have on hand. It's not going to change the flavor. And then a teaspoon of parsley. I'm also going to add a little bit of nutmeg to it. It's kind of that secret little flavor in the background that makes you go, what am I tasting? It's nutmeg. I don't have any ground, so I'm just going to use some nutmeg and grind a little bit of it with my microplane. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this at all if you don't want to. I just like it in there. Okay, when you're ready to make Alfredo sauce, let me tell you what you do with this fabulous mix. You are going to use 2 tablespoons of butter melted in the bottom of your pot that you're mixing it in, just over medium heat, a 1/2 cup of the mix, and 1 cup of liquid. Now, I say liquid because that part's your choice. If you want to just use water, just use water. If you want to get it even creamier, you could do 1/2 water and 1/2 milk. Or if you want it super creamy, use all milk. That part's up to you. If you want to use broth, use broth. If you want to mix up some bouillon, I posted a chicken bouillon recipe yesterday. If you want to mix up some broth with bouillon, you could do that too. So there's all kinds of ways that you can make this. You just need to know it's 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 cup mix, 1 cup of liquid. That's your ratio. If you need to make more than that, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of mix, and 2 cups of liquid. So this makes a little less than 2 cups of mix, which means for my family that is at least 3 meals, if not 4. So it's a great way to have that on hand. It is another one of those that we keep around here because it is a fast meal and it's delicious. When you make it, add a little fresh Parmesan on top and you are good to go. Have a great day.